And winter is really and truly here in the national capital as the NCR region woke up to the first fog of the season. In the early hours, there were reports of low visibility in many parts, and with the high levels of air pollution, however, a smog expected to make a comeback in Delhi. Well, let's go across to Divya now, who joins us from India Gate. Divya, in fact, there's fog across many parts of the North India.
Absolutely, such a good morning, Gargi. Take a look. I'm going to ask the camera person to just pan and show you what it's like. You can't see India Gate. I'm at India Gate, and just take a look. I have no visibility levels here at all. The visibility levels at the airport are about 100 meters, but here in the heart of the city at India Gate, you can't see the India Gate. All you can see is this thick cloud cover, this fog cover that you can see. The dense fog situation was predicted by the Met Department yesterday. The IMD had said that from moderate to dense fog conditions will prevail all across the north, like you said. So it's Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, West Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, all these areas. In fact, yesterday fog conditions were seen also in areas like West Bengal and Bihar, which is completely unheard of. And even in Delhi, we don't expect fog so early on in the season. This is the first fog that we've seen. Of course, it's come in 1 month. Usually this happens end of December, most likely in the month of January. It doesn't happen as soon as it has, and of course the temperature has come down. The reason behind this is the temperature has come down drastically. It fell by almost 4 degrees from what the temperature was day before to what it happened to be yesterday. It came down to about 9.7 from 13.8 degrees Celsius. So obviously the fall in temperature, the western disturbance that's affecting us, so therefore the winds have become really calm. The moisture that's been added because of the depression that's lying over Bay of Bengal. So all three factors have led to the formation of fog. I have with me a guest who's here from Bombay. Sir, please tell us, you don't get to see this in Bombay, so how are you feeling?
It's very nice and very cool. I think this is the first day. I think this.
Yes, absolutely. It's the first day of fog in Delhi. It's going to last for another 2 days. So if you're in Delhi for the next 2 days, you'll have to fight this out early in the morning, especially if you're out for a walk or if you're heading to work.
Yeah, मैं अक्सर आता हूँ. Actually, I'm frequently traveling by Delhi every month. I think every month and 2 months. But this time, मतलब आज पहला दिन है शायद I think fog का. But काफी अच्छा लगा. बॉम्बे में तो ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है. So काफी enjoy कर रहा हूँ मैं.
Yeah, absolutely. So people are here enjoying the fog. The visibility levels are really bad. So it's going to obviously cause a lot of problem for people who are commuting, not just on the roads, but also the air and rail traffic will get affected. But for people here in Delhi at India Gate, we're certainly enjoying this first fog that we're seeing here in Delhi. So like I said, it'll last for another 2 days. It's likely to lift around 10 o'clock in the morning when the sun comes out. So it's not going to last all day, but it's going to last for another 2 days. Gargi?
All right, Divya, thanks so much for joining us with that.